Hey, so what is going on, everyone? Got the Kingston HyperX Predator memory here. This is the black version kit. This is the 32 gig kit, so I'm going to have two modules with this, 2x16 3000 megahertz DDR4 memory. We'll just take a look around the box here. Not much to unpacking two memory modules, but I figured I'd share it with you guys because I'm going to be installing this memory in this X299 Sly Plus motherboard. So I thought we'd just take it out and take a look at the heat spreader on the top and just a little look at the memory. Got some specs here. On the back, looks like a CAS latency time of 15, 288 pin UDIMM. Usually a kit of two is meant to be used for dual channel. Everything you see here is pretty much what comes in the package. You get the warranty and installation guide and a sticker down here that says HyperX on it. Now I do believe the warranty for this memory is lifetime, but don't hold me to that for this particular kit. Okay, just taking a look at this memory module, you can definitely feel that it is of good quality. It's got a little weight to it. It's got this heat spreader going across the top, got the logo there. Very nice looking. So here's a look at the back, voltage of 1.35. If you guys want to know any more of the in-depth features and timing parameters with this memory, obviously you just go look that up because some of you may already be like considering purchasing this memory. So if you're interested in buying this memory or learning more about it or the cost of this memory, I'll have a link in the description below to Amazon. I'm not going to mention the price because that changes all the time. So if you click that link, you can go see the current price for this memory. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.